Well, if you want to become an aesthetic, magnetic, and highly attractive person, then this video is going to be the most important and valuable one for you. Because this isn't just another normal glow-up video. This is a scientifically structured, step-by-step transformation guide used by influencers, actors, and high-level leaders to appear powerful, attractive, and respected. Most people believe that celebrities are naturally more attractive, but that's not true. I've personally tested this system and seen real results. So no matter where you are right now, by the end of this video, you'll have a proven step-by-step plan to level up your appearance without expensive treatments and make a powerful first impression. Point 1. Body maxing. Your physique is the foundation of attractiveness. No matter how stylish you are, someone with a fit, strong body will always look more powerful and attractive.
Lower body fat makes your jawline sharper, your features more defined, and improves posture naturally. To level up your body, follow these rules. Sleep 8 to 9 hours daily. Poor sleep increases stress and affects fat loss plus skin health. Stay hydrated, around 3 liters daily for better skin and fat loss support. Train at least 30 minutes 5 days a week. Push-ups, squats, cardio like jogging or skipping. Point 2. Face and jawline. Mewing basics. Attractive facial features like a defined jawline and symmetry matter. One of the most effective natural techniques is mewing, but only if done correctly. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Keep your mouth closed and swallow naturally. Press the back of your tongue gently upward, centered, not tilted. Also, avoid mouth breathing, don't chew from one side only, and keep your posture strong. Point 3. Skin maxing. Your skin can instantly 10x your attractiveness.
Attractiveness isn't about being fair or dark. It's about having clear, smooth, healthy skin. Follow these basics. Cleanse daily. Choose based on your skin type. Oily, dry, or sensitive. Use sunscreen, SPF 30+, every day. Moisturize twice daily. Optional natural care, 2 to 3 times a week. Simple ingredients like aloe, yogurt, or rosewater can help. Point 4. Grooming. Grooming is underrated but powerful. It's about presenting yourself as clean and well-maintained. Keep a sharp haircut. Maintain facial hair. Clean shave or well-trimmed beard. Use a good fragrance. It becomes your silent presence. Point 5. Style maxing. Style isn't about expensive brands. It's about wearing clothes that fit you well and match your personality. Avoid clothes that are too tight or too baggy. Keep it clean, simple, and confident. Point 6. Confidence and presence. No matter how you look, confidence is what people notice first. The way you walk, stand, and carry yourself defines your presence. Work on these consistently, and you won't just look better, you'll feel more powerful, confident, and respected. Your transformation will speak for itself.